This little mason jar sealer is pretty cool. It will take all the air out of your jar and seal it very easily. Comes with your USB-C cord. You want to charge it when you get it. And it comes with two pieces so that you can do the wide mouth jars and the narrow mouth jars. And once it's charged up, all you have to do is put it on, hit the button, wait 40 seconds. Take it off, and that's it. It's done. They come in many different colors. It's nice and small and portable, so it's easy to take in a camper or something if you go camping and you want to be able to store your things and reseal them so that nothing gets in them or no air gets in it. Highly recommended. Love mine. This little mason jar sealer is pretty cool.